If you are tired of watching same Instagram tips and tricks videos everywhere to gain followers, then this video is just for you. If you are serious to grow your Instagram account or page, then stop doing things like follow for follow, using any app that adds follower to your account, or doing things like visiting any celeb's profile on Instagram, following it, then following those multiple suggested accounts below to gain followers. Because first of all, doing these things will degrade your account value. For example, if you are using F4F, then eventually you will have more number in following than followers. And believe me, people visiting your profile for the first time notice this and create an image of yours in their mind. And using a third party app to gain followers may also lead to blocking of your account by Instagram, and your privacy is also at risk. You might heard things like post consistently, use hashtags, create quality content, but nobody talks about how to do it correctly. Before starting, did you know that there are around 100 million Instagram users in India as of report released in July 24, 2020? And there are a total of 26,625 influencers in India with between 1,000 to 10 million followers. So, if you want to grow your Instagram account, you need to post unique and quality content to increase the engagement with audience and gain followers. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Did you know that you can have more colors than those 27 basic ones offered in Instagram stories? Apparently, you can have the whole rainbow of colors if you want. To get them, you need to click on that drawing pen again and then click on any color offered to you and hold your finger. In a second, you will see a big palette of gradient colors that you can choose from. We used to think that in order to zoom on Instagram, we always needed to use two fingers to touch the screen and zoom it out. But no. When you start recording, press the record button and slide your finger up the screen, like this. While technically there is no 3D effect on stories, but you can fake it so well it looks as good as real. Like this. To make a 3D effect on font, first write a text with black color and then place any other color text over it. While stories offer only 9 fonts officially, classic, modern, neon, and so on, there's a little trick you can use to go around it and add more fonts to your content. Go to your browser and open this website coolsymbol.com and then go to font changer. Now write any text here in the text box. As you can see here, there are 20 plus font styles are given. After writing your text, you can copy it and paste it in your Instagram story or posts. Adding hashtags to your Instagram stories is one of the best Instagram growth tips out there. If you do so, you increase your chances of being featured for the hashtags you use, which ultimately boosts your exposure and can get you new followers. While using as many hashtags in stories can also look a bit spammy. What you can do is write the hashtag, place it at the corner and then select the same background color for it. By this, you can post as many hashtags you like. One of the best Instagram tips you have for growth is tagging. Indeed, tagging is great for exposure as it increases your visibility. However, just like with hashtags, if you tag too many people, it will look extremely spammy. If someone taps on your photo and sees a lot of tags spread around, don't get me wrong, but it looks just a bit desperate. What you can do is tag all the usernames in the same corner. For creating rainbow effect, after writing your text, select all of it. Then hold your right thumb on any color on the suggested color palette and hold your left thumb on the text cursor. Slide both fingers simultaneously to the left. You will see that your letters will change colors.